Hi friends, welcome to Venky's channel. In the previous video, we have learned about the iframe tag in HTML. Today we are going to learn how to embed YouTube videos and Google Maps in HTML. So let's open Sublime Text and open this file in browser. Now we can see that the file is opened in browser. Now I have the part 1 of my HTML tutorial open. So let's embed this video within HTML. There are two ways in which we can do this. One is through the share option and the other one is by right clicking like this and selecting the copy embed code. Let's learn about them in detail now. So first let's click on share option here, and then there is an option called embed at the first. So let's click on this embed, and now you can see that a code is written here and it uses the iframe tag, and there's a checkbox called start at 0:003. So if we check this checkbox, the video will start from 3 seconds of the video. So I don't want that. So let me uncheck this checkbox, and then let's copy this HTML code by clicking on the copy option. The other way is by right clicking anywhere on the video and selecting the option which says copy embed code. Now I have copied the embed code, and let's go back to Sublime Text and paste the copied code. So let me paste it here now. Now let's save our changes and go to the browser and refresh the tab. Now we can see that the YouTube video has loaded in the browser, and we can play it by clicking on the play button. Now let's learn how to embed Google Maps in HTML. So let me open a Google map of our country India. Now I have opened a Google map of our country India. Now we have to click on the share option here. Here there is an option called embed a map. So we have to click on this option which says embed a map. And now we have to click on the option here which says copy HTML. Now let's go to Sublime Text and paste the code which we have copied. Now let's save our changes and refresh the browser. Now we can see that the Google map has appeared here in the browser, and we can control it, and we have different controls over here like zoom in and zoom out. Friends, hope you have understood how to embed YouTube videos and Google Maps in HTML. In the next video, we are going to learn about tables in HTML. Bye friends.